Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I played Beast One if y'all didn't know. I have a very stupid idea that is very wasteful of me in Beast One. I'm gonna finish this because I got really good luck right now. So I'm just gonna finish this real quick. I am going to give this shrine the win shrine. The most OPest of OPs. I'm just gonna give it all of my like snowflakes or something. Why do I have 491 snowflakes? Right in the whip. Is that good? Is that good? I don't know if that's good. Is it good? I don't know, but I could just give it like 500. Why not? Yeah, why not? Let's just give it like 500. Actually, let's see, like, we could give it like 40 jelly beans or something. Now let's just do like 50. Over here though, because probably not gonna need them. Can I not donate this stupid thing, snowflakes? Snowflakes comes after stingers. This stupid game. Well then that means I'm gonna have to donate like 1,000 gumdrops because I have to do something crazy. You know what? I'll do like 750. I'm dumb. Bro, should I do 750? No. Oh no, not glitter. Where is it? Oh, I just saw it. Right. So I just kind of donated all the gumdrops I have, pretty much. Start doing more, like 5 per clip. Like how you do that 100. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. That's why I should probably use my auto clicker for this. But I don't have it set up. Ah! Why is this not working? Go 5 per clip. That's it, I'm putting it out. Haha. Now you can't troll me. When does it start counting by 5s? It's still going by 1. That would have took 750 clicks, which I would have not done. Alright, time to give it 750 gumdrops. Yeah, chat. I'm so dumb for that. The green badge against the shirt? What? What do you mean? What do you mean, blue badge? Is that good, chat? Was that a good reward? Did I just get scammed? Did I just get scammed? Did I just get scammed? Oh, that was a scam. That was like such decent loot. Decent loot. I just say decent. Holy crap. I just one-shotted that. I'm literally one-shotting them. I can't spawn anymore though. Dude, this might actually be the most craziest game ever. How many strawberries do I have as of now? And it's only gonna grow by the millions or whatever. I kinda want to just get 1 billion honey, spit it on royal jellies, and get like a mythic for no reason. What's that noise with those? Looks like this is a good spot. With all that loot. Nah, this is good. How's that at 43%? already. Honestly, I think it's time to just use my like 283 blessing. That guy is 2 billion. That guy is 1 billion. I'm not living up to the standards. Alright. Times 19 blessing chat. Is that good? I just faked my sticker project. My sticker stack. Oh my god, this is literally gonna take a year. This is gonna take more than a year. No, I want pepper. 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 Thank you. Looks like I have to go pepper. I have to say it super weirdly now. But pepper. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long. I need to hire newbies. This is gonna take so long, chat. Why did I just use another enzyme? How do I, like, instantly convert all of this? Like, instant. By leaving it. I'm gonna go get a new moon charm. Is that even a good reward this year? Are they all different? Hey, give me some haste. Definitely. Oh, let me kill this real quick, though. Level 5, yeah, I don't really do this. He already has 10,000 health. That's not too bad. I heard when you do this, they can't attack. This stupid scam! I think it only works with other stuff. He's your scammer. Bro, where are these snowflakes coming from? Is he just throwing up snowflakes? I feel bad for my bro. While we're just vigorously murdering him, he's just sputtering out snowflakes. Wait, I might not kill him. And then I'll have to wait like an hour, 30 minutes. Hey! Kill him! Kill him! Rinse. Yeah, I was about to say, choke the blood out of him. Rinse it out of him. Make him die of bloodlust. Turn his cold blood to stone. Alright, is this good? And I don't know, but it's plus 16 big other power, so I'm guessing that's good. Tell me if I'm down. I don't play this game. Alright, what is my luck? Oh, these two have to be the same. I'm so dumb. Clear water, tasty. I can't kill a turtle bear. What's your business quest? Alright, I just collected some random trash quest. Oh wait, this is actually super. Oh, it's actually good to hear. I was about to say it's super easy, but it's gonna take a minute. Which quest is this? Who gave me this? Oh, yes. If it wasn't for whoever the name is. Um, um, uh, random, creepy bear stalker thing. I don't know. The bear at, yeah, that bear. I'm so quiet. Right away, that music starts playing. Oh my god, I barely have any damage on this time. Is that a flag? Oh. Oh, come on. You're mean. Rocket ship. The sky's not the limit. Oh, funny guy. You're so funny on it. Oh my god, you got the whole crew laughing. Oh my god, I'm in tears. That is so funny. If I buy 5 of those, then I can get a candy burger. Oh, I'll need 100 tickets. That gives me an idea. That gives me an idea. Finally, I have a reason. Finally, I have a reason. Oh, that's expensive. Now I don't have a reason. We have not played these games before, chat. 4.56 billion. Heck no, I've not played those games before, buddy. Okay, I'll stop. You are the person who causes all pain and suffering. Oh wait, did I just get a quest from him? What's his quest? What the heck? Heck no. What are even honey tokens? Let me see. Slash. Oh, easy as crap. Never mind. That'll just take like a couple of days, though. I don't play this game for days. Galentine Shrine is an absolute disgusting quest. Ew, brother. That's so much. Person from a planter? 25 tokens from planters? Oh, easy. Oh, and I can get an hour of nectar. Wait, I might actually be able to do this quest right now. This better be good. I don't know how you get the best reward from this. My record is, I think it's like 4 mil. What are y'all's? I feel like I've seen someone get like 12 mil for no reason whatsoever. Alrighty, so let's see. How much percent every single one's in the wow? That's not too bad, but I mean, if we boost the field a bit, we don't really have much time for this video though, but I think we can just get like 66% and then we'd be good. Now let's just do 65. Alright, let's see. I didn't get an hour worth. I almost did. Would I get all the tokens I need? I wouldn't even get all the tokens I need. Alright, well, see y'all in the next video. Spirit Bear, that's her name.